Fried spiced plantain is on the menu today. Hello lovelies, today I share this delicious snack from Ghana. It is a street food in Ghana made with lots of spices and is usually hot. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you, and let's get started. To make this recipe you need well-ripe plantain. As you can see, I have my ripe plantain here and I've already washed it properly. Next I will peel and cut it into my desired shapes. Once I'm done cutting, I will set it aside. Next, I will prepare my spices. In my mortar, I will go in with my pepper, calabash nutmeg, cloves, black pepper, ginger, onion, salt, and I will pound it. You can also blend with a blender. Once that is done, I will transfer in my plantain, mix to combine and allow it to marinate for 30 minutes or an hour. To fry the plantain in my preheated oil, I will gently drop the marinated plantain and allow it to fry. Please don't mix it often so that the spices will not fall off. Once the plantain is well fried, I will scoop it out from the oil. If you have watched till this point, please help me by sharing this video. That is it for today's video, guys, and serve with granules. It is best served with granules and enjoy. I hope you find happiness in watching today's video. Thank you, and always be positive, and see you in my next one. Bye guys.